Hello, I would like to welcome you all on behalf of Houseland Properties for an exclusive event which will be taking place on the 29th of August, Saturday. So this event is for a developer by the name of Sobha, a developer which is known for its quality and amazing location. Location is just opposite to downtown. Recently they came up with a new promotion with post-handover payment plan, and millions of cash discount could be given. They have townhouses, independent villa and apartments. If you are attending event with developer, you will only know what they are selling, what they are offering. But if you are attending an event with a professional brokerage company who they have specialist property consultants speaking in more than 10 languages, you will not only understand one developer product, but you will understand the locality and you will be given comparative analysis. So you as an end user, where you would like to live for the rest of your life, or as an investor where to put your money, so you will understand everything about community, and we're all about the market. So it's happening Saturday 29th of August, Sheikh Zayed Road beside Lamborghini showroom.